SysCloud Backup for HubSpot is designed to help users quickly recover lost contacts, deals, workflows, and more from accidental deletions and other data loss incidents. In this video, we would like to take you on a quick tour of SysCloud's HubSpot backup application. Setting up SysCloud Backup for HubSpot is very simple. You can securely connect your HubSpot accounts and define the retention periods for your backup archives by creating a backup job. Once set up, the backup runs automatically every day, and you will have access to an intuitive dashboard that gives you single-click access to the backup archives of all your connected HubSpot accounts. You can also see how your backups are progressing and view any critical errors that might affect your backups and restores. Locating lost HubSpot records is always a breeze. You can search the backup archives using advanced filters like contact owner, email ID, create date, publish status, file type, and more, depending on the object you want to restore. With SysCloud, you can effortlessly restore data at various levels. You can restore specific engagements like notes, tasks, or emails logged in a record, restore single or multiple records, or even an entire object, all while keeping its original record associations intact. Our snapshot feature allows you to easily restore or export an older version of the data at any given point in time. Keep a track of all your restores and exports using our Granular Report feature and easily manage restore workload by assigning additional admin roles. Thousands of IT administrators use SysCloud as a single pane of glass to safeguard and manage data for their critical SaaS applications. Start your 30-day free trial today. SysCloud, we have your back.